Good morning, this is Ian Mountford. I'm an expert in social media for small businesses. And I get a lot of people come to me all of the time saying, oh, I've done this and it's not working. I've written this piece of content, nobody's liking it, it's not getting any attention and it's not achieving any results. One of the biggest reasons why this happens quite frequently is because your content doesn't possess any or all of these characteristics, which I call MIDI: memorable, informative, distinctive, or interesting. Memorable stands for easy to remember, make it special, make it different. Informative means provide useful information when you're actually putting content together, give people something they can work with. Distinctive is all about standing out in a crowd, and interesting is as we would all understand here, it's just about catching attention, but actually holding that attention for the period that it takes somebody to read or take on board the content that you're giving to them. If your content doesn't have these MIDI characteristics, it's really like firing a gun with a blindfold on. You're just never going to hit the target. It's going to take you all day long. You might get lucky now and again. You might get a little spike in attention, but you're not going to get consistent results, which is what this is all about. So if you think that this is you and you're in a situation of this kind, it's going to keep happening unless you make some big changes. So this is where my social media master plan sessions come in. If you're really serious about getting this right and you're fed up with missing the target over and over and over, I want you to email me, ian@fitforsocial.com.au, and I want you to put master plan in the title, and I'm going to then send you a reply that's got the deal in it, and that'll explain how this all works. So that's ian@fitforsocial.com.au. If you're fed up with getting no responses and no reactions and no results from the content that you're putting together, send me an email, put master plan in the title, and we'll send you the deal.